At least once in our life, all of us have tried our hand at painting, sketching or drawing something. We start painting step by step, try to finish and either get successful and complete our artwork, or leave it in the middle out of impatience or for not getting desired results. But, all of us out there always really want to make that one art piece once in our life, either to show it off or just for our own satisfaction. If you are looking for free online art lessons, I would definitely recommend Dennis and Nolan Clark's online art lessons. On the site you will find hundreds of online art classes. There are classes in oil painting, watercolor painting, acrylic painting, pencil drawing, pastel drawing as well as pen and ink drawing. There are even classes in lesser-known art forms like scratchboard drawing. It doesn't matter if you are brand new to art or have been an artist for years already, they have classes to suit your current ability. By clicking the link below this video, you will find over 100 free online art classes which you can follow. Most lessons have a text tutorial and a narrated time-lapse video for you to follow. They even add new free tutorials every week. If you join their mailing list, they will send you the occasional round-up email of new tutorials added to the site. If you enjoy their free online art lessons and you prefer to paint or draw along, you can become a VIP member for as low as $5. You can also check out the link in the description box below this video if you want to get the VIP membership right away. As a VIP member, you can get instant access to over 400 paint along and draw along art classes and courses. They usually sell these classes individually for $9 each. Which means this offer is incredible value for money. So go ahead and give the classes a try. I suggest you to try the free online art classes first, and if you enjoy it, get the VIP membership and experience the full benefits.